So hi everyone, here in this video we are going to see what exactly the Java compilation process is and how Java compiles the code and generates the bytecode. So let's start with this Java compilation process. So now we have source code. So what exactly the source code is? The programmer, you, me or somebody else, whoever is the programmer, will write this source code. So we as a Java developer, after learning Java, we write the code, but see how difficult the job is after writing the code. Think in a perspective that we are only checking whether our code is correct or not. We are only checking whether the grammar of our code, that is called a syntax of the code, is correct or not. That means we are checking whether syntax is correct or not. Okay, our code is following the rules of the language or not, and there are certain criteria. Okay. So this becomes a very hectic job. Now, as a developer, writing code is very easy. Okay, you will write the code, but compiling it becomes a very big task. So now the problem is how to compile the code. Now to compile the code, what exactly happens after writing source code? That source code is given to a compiler, and the compiler of Java is known as Java C. So Java C is basically the compiler present in Java language. So after once we give our code to the compiler, so compiler is responsible to check the syntax of the program, that means grammar of the program and rules and regulations which your language is asking you to write it in your code. Getting my points? So it checks, compiler checks. If compiler says that okay boss, your code is correct, there is no problem, then compiler generates a student.class file that is called as nothing but bytecode in Java. Okay, cannot be understood by human beings. It's something called as JVM, which understands this bytecode that we will see in the next video. But what if you have the problem inside your code? That means you have written something wrong, the grammar of your language is wrong. At that time, Java C will throw compile time error. What Java C will throw? Compile time error. So this is how Java compiler called as Java C compiles your code and make sure that you haven't done any grammatical mistakes and you haven't done any, you have followed all the rules that is present inside the language while writing the code. So if you have done any of those mistakes, then Java C won't allow you to generate the bytecode, because the moment you generate the bytecode, what exactly will happen with bytecode we'll see in next video.